chicken puttanesca, honey.
Oh.
A sexy Italian dish with store-bought rotisserie chicken. This is the second chicken.
I'm just amazed at all these dishes that you're coming up with.
And this is another quick, easy meal that can last you the entire week.
What's the sauce you're making? The puttanesca.
A puttanesca, girl. It's an Italian red sauce, and it has olives in it. So it's a little briny, it's a little acidic, but it goes really well with poultry.
Ooh.
How about I show you?
Okay.
All right, come on. So I have a skillet here. I'm gonna get a little hot, add some olive oil. The first thing I'm gonna do is sweat down some onions and garlic. All right, so I have one yellow onion here that I chopped up. Add some garlic. And that's another thing too that I like to do is prep my veggies. Like if I see that all my recipes have onion, I'll get like 2 or 3 onions and chop them up.
Okay.
And just have them, you know, ready to go.
Already ready. Okay, that's a good tip.
So I'm gonna add a little anchovy paste. The salty, fishy undertones play so well with the other briny flavors that go into this puttanesca. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now I have 1 can of crushed tomatoes.
Oh, wow.
A pinch of red pepper flakes. So just a little heat, just a little spice. And while that simmers, because I need it to thicken up just a little bit with the paste and the crushed tomatoes. Got some water that's been boiling back here. Can you drop a little bit of the spaghetti? You don't have to use the entire package, because it's just us. We're gonna boil it for about 10 minutes and take it out, put some cold water on top to stop the cooking process. While that's going, we gotta cut up some chicken.
Okay.
All right, come over here.
Let's go.
All right, so we have our second rotisserie chicken here that I'm gonna break down. Cut out the backbone. I don't have to shred it for this one. Basically leaving this into like cut up chicken pieces. We're gonna drop the chicken into the sauce. So it's gonna break down a little bit, loosen up, kind of become one with the sauce. You know, you wanted that sauce to get inside that meat.
Yes.
So it's been about 10 minutes. We're gonna take the chicken back over there and nestle it into the sauce.
Ooh.
I'm gonna add about a cup of olives in here. 2 tablespoons of capers. Also another element of a little brine, a little salt, a little bit of Italian seasoning right there.
Okay.
The pasta is done. I'm gonna drain it back here. Cold water. The reason you run cold water over pasta is because you don't want it to continue to cook. See, it's gotten nice and thick.
Yes.
So this is a thick sauce.
Okay.
Rich, very rich. I'm gonna add in those chicken pieces.
Okay.
Just nestle it in there. And you know the chicken is already cooked. All I'm doing right now is just warming the chicken up with the sauce.
Okay.
I'm getting that flavor infused into the chicken. It looks like you spent all day with this chicken that you cooked, slow cooking on top of your stove for hours. And you can tell your husband that too, like, look, I've been home all day making your meal. And, all right, so we got our pasta. We're good to go. Let's try it.
Okay.
I want to get you a few pieces of that chicken breast.
Okay.
And some olives. Top you off with a little oregano leaves.
Okay. Bon appetit.
Love it.
It's good, Kardea. This is so tasty.
Oh yeah. I mean, it tastes like it's been cooking for hours with the onions, the garlic, but then you get a punch of that big juicy olive when you bite into it. Do you think this is something you'll try at home?
Definitely going in the list. I know Wilson's gonna love this.